Good morning everybody. We've got an exciting day today. We're going out to Whitehaven Beach with ocean rafting. We're heading out there in probably about 20 minutes time. Can't wait to show you the footage that's out there. Unbelievable. The photos I've seen, I've never been there before. It will be absolutely fantastic, I'm sure. So come along and enjoy our trip out there with us. There's our boarding passes, and there's our boats over there. Cannot wait. This is going to be one hell of a day. Wow everybody, we're on Whitehaven Beach. Check this out, this is amazing. You all need to get up here and check this one out. We just had a bit of a snorkel around on a couple of the reefs. Now we're just having lunch and kicking back on Whitehaven Beach, and later on we're going up to the inlet. So check out our drone footage on that, that should be awesome as well. But yeah, check out this white sand, it's unbelievable. Have a go at that. Just soft, fluffy, not hot in any aspect. Unbelievable, this place. Absolutely beautiful. There's our boat that we just came in on, ocean rafting. Unbelievable. Comes Chad, coming up to get some lunch. This is the spread lunch we get on here. Unreal. Absolutely beautiful. How was your snorkeling, Chad?
Great. So, water kept on going in my eyes.
The water kept going in your eyes? Did you have good fun?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun. So, different kind of fish.
Lots of different fish?
Yep.
Big ones, small ones?
Yep. Big ones.
Unreal.
Couple big ones.
We even got a couple of photos of some turtles before as well.
We've got some
We'll add those in. So any photos we take that we'll add into this film. This is unreal. Can't wait to come back here. It was amazing. Place is beautiful. Nice, beautiful white sands. Whitest sand you will ever see. Doesn't get all hot. Keeps a nice temperature no matter how hot the ground is. Clear, crystal clear water. Actually just spotted a nice little GT in there. Yeah, water is absolutely amazing, nice and warm. Well, recommend just come here. We've came here with ocean rafting. Fantastic company. Well recommend that you catch up with them and get you out here. Crew are very knowledgeable. There's a couple of fish here, I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, what a place. Not quite sure if you can catch those fish, but well, we got 4 of them. This would have to be one of the best places I've ever been there. Hands down, definitely the most nicest beach. So I've had a nice snorkel session, which was about probably 2 hours or so. We've come to Whitehaven Beach to have a bit of a swim and some lunch, and we're off to Hill Inlet next, which we'll be putting the drone up there hopefully as well. We've put up a little bit here, so we'll be adding that footage in. But have a go at this water, it's just crystal clear. Beautiful white sands and crystal clear water. So here we are everybody at Whitehaven Inlet. Check this out, this is just unbelievable, I'm lost for words, it's so good. How is that? It's absolutely amazing. Not sure how good this comes out, but you definitely have to get here and check this out yourselves. After this walk up here, we'll be heading down to that beach and going for a swim.
Basically, Whitehaven Beach is made up of 98% silica sand. So silica sand comes about by a compression of matter and heat over hundreds of thousands of years, and it creates what we refer to as quartz crystal. Okay, so with erosion, the quartz crystal breaks down, giving us tiny little particles washing up onto the beach, giving us Whitehaven Beach. Now, it hasn't actually been confirmed where the quartz came from on Whitehaven Beach. So there's a few different theories, one being that it has been title delivered to the beach hundreds of years ago. Another one is, if you just see that rock out in the center there, they've actually drilled down below that. So it's 130-meter depth of water, and then drilling into the Earth's crust, they've found remnants of quartz crystal on the drill. They do think that that compartment that they drilled into is actually empty of quartz now. So there's a few people saying, oh, we ran out of quartz to make more silica sand. So it's all a little bit up in the air.
So I hope you've enjoyed all that. That was our day out at Whitehaven Beach and the inlet with ocean rafting. They are absolutely amazing, very well trained, had an absolute ball out there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and we'll catch you next time.